Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI Nova Y70 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this, and once the content is open and visible, hold power key and volume down at the same time. As you can see, this will capture a screenshot. And there is also another option for you to swipe down, and this will capture a long version of a screenshot. And I will demonstrate this quickly by going into the settings and doing it right here, because I need to have content that can be scrolled down. As you can see, there it goes. Once you tap to stop it, it will automatically show you the result of it. And from here, all you get to do is tap on save. Now, once you have captured your screenshots, you can find all of them in your gallery application, and they will be visible in just the photos at the very top if you captured them recently or somewhere down the line, or by going into the albums. And in here you'll have a new folder called screenshots, or album precisely. As you can see, there is the long screenshot, and here is just a normal one. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.